So in this video, I'm going to talk about solving the questions about inscribed angles. And for inscribed angles, it is the angle that were formed by the two lines, but the lines points or lie on the circle. And for in this case, we call CDB, angle CDB is the inscribed angle. And so the question is, the circle is centered on point B. Center on point B. B is our center of our circle, and the points ACD. So ACD lie on its circumference. So circumference is the curved line that wraps around the circle. And if angle ABC, so if the angle ABC right over here, if this angle measures 46 degrees, so this angle measures 46 degrees, and what does ADC angle ADC measure? So what is the angle ADC? We want to find the angle D right over here. So let's solve for this. We know one thing, that if there is a line right over here, we know that here, right over here, it is 180 degrees. Using the property, we can do the same thing in this question. And it is a line that lies that two points are around the circumference of the circle. So we can say that this angle right over here is 180 degrees. So we can see that the angle ABC plus angle ABD are going to be equal to 180 degrees. So let's write it down. So angle ABC plus the angle right over here CBD should be equal to 180 degrees. We know the value of angle ABC, which will going to be equal to 46 degrees. So 46 degrees plus the angle CBD should be equal to 180 degrees. We can subtract 46 degrees to the both sides in order to isolate the unknown variables, which is the angle CBD. And then in the left side, the 46 we're gonna cancel out, and only the angle CBD we're gonna leave. And in the right side, 180 minus 46 we're going to be equal to 134 degrees. So I can say that the angle CBD is equal to 134 degrees. But if you look at this triangle right over here, we can see that the angle CBD plus these two angles we're gonna be 180 degrees. So 180 degrees is equal to the angle CBD plus, I'll just call angle D plus angle C. But if you look at this triangle carefully, these lines right over here, and these lines are the radius of the circle. It lies on the circle and it goes all the way to the center point, which means they're the radius of the circle and their value, the lengths are the same. So we can say that we want to find the value of D. So it is same thing with D, angle D. So we can say that 180 degrees is equal to angle CBD plus 2 times D, because we have two D's. And we know the value of angle CBD, which is equal to 134 degrees, and we can subtract, let's just write 134 degrees plus 2D should be equal to, so 180 degrees, and we can subtract 134 degrees to the both sides. And we get that 2 times D right here, because we are running out of space. 2 times D is equal to 180 minus 134. So let's write down 180 minus 134. We're going to be equal to, let's see, 6. Then 46 it is 46 degrees. And we can divide 2 to the both sides in order to isolate D. And we get, so I'll write out here, D is equal to 46 divided by 2, which is equal to 23 degrees. So we got the answer that D is a 23 degrees. And in the next video, I'm going to talk about the second example of the inscribed angles, finding the or the problem of the inscribed angles.